Greetings, I am Selvaraj, Associate Professor in the Department of IT, PSNA College of Engineering and Technology, Dindigul. Welcome to this lecture. We will discuss about computation of discrete Fourier transform. Is called simply abbreviated DFT. The transform is proposed by Joseph Fourier. During the period of 1768 to 1840, this lecture will be useful for both BE, BTech, third year students in non-university curriculum. Before I will enter into the lecture, what are the outlines this course? The outlines are definition for DFT, definition for inverse DFT, computation of four-point DFT and construction of magnitude spectrum, magnitude and phase spectrum. Before I will enter into the lecture, what is discrete Fourier transform? Where it is applied this transform? What is discrete Fourier transform? Discrete Fourier transform is a powerful computational tool performing analysis of discrete time signal. So here is a time domain sequence is applied into discrete Fourier transform. The transform converted into frequency domain samples. These samples are considered by magnitude form in complex form A plus JB format. Is typically work with magnitude and space. So here input is a time domain sample. The transform is used to convert frequency domain samples. It's a powerful mathematical tool performing analysis of discrete time signals, and also it is used to study about spectral properties. The transform is to study about spectral property of signals to remove the eliminates of redundant information. These are generally applied for discrete Fourier transform. Next I will go for where it is this transform is applied. Where it is applied in this transform. In the case of or in the field of image processing, in the field of image processing, in such case of image enhancement, in case of image enhancement operations, is a spatial image. These are pixel intensities is denoted by g of x is denoted by f of x comma y, applying Fourier transform, discrete Fourier transform. So after will be converted into is a frequency domain image, frequency domain image. After applying filters like low pass filter operation or high pass filter operation or any other filter operation or masking operation to eliminate the noise, after we getting, after applying inverse DFT, after applying inverse DFT process, again get is a spatial image. G of x comma y is a spatial image. This image is called enhanced image or improved quality of image. See, another same field, another application is called image compression. In the field of image compression, to reduce the pixel intensities. For example, 1 MP pixel reduced into some 50k pixel, etc. Then store the storage media, etc. The same. So here is a original image applying discrete Fourier transform to reduce the pixel intensities. Then stored in some storage media like VCD player or some other ICs or portable disk, etc. Using inverse DFT, then we will reproduce original information without loss of content. In same field, another application for image processing, image recognition. Image recognition, face recognition. These are general application for this particular transform applied both forward and inverse transform. Another example for this transform used in speech processing. This is the second one. This transform can be applied for speech processing. In such case of speaker verification, speaker identification, speech to text conversion, these are commonly applied for in speech signal processing application. It's another field for applying for Fourier transform and discrete inverse Fourier transform. It's a third one, radar signal processing. radar signal processing to detect the object, speed of rocket or velocity of rocket, speed of aeroplane, particular object present or not, missile guidelines, speed of rocket, speed of satellites, etc. These are the analysis of applied for both forward and inverse transform. This is another field for telecommunication. In telecommunication, echo cancellation, equalization, higher order data modulations, etc. The transform is applied for both forward and inverse transform. So basically the transform can be applied for all digital signal processing applications. Next we will go for definition for discrete Fourier transform. Definition for discrete Fourier transform: let x of n be a discrete time domain signal the discrete Fourier transform of x of n equal to capital X of k. So that is equal to x of k equal to summation n over 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 by n k by n. So here k equal to small letter k equal to varying from 1 to 0 to n minus 1, n minus capital N minus 1. So here n is called length of sequence, or length of summation, usually is called n points. This points means summation of number of variables. Is a capital X, small k is called a frequency domain sample sequence, that is equal to n equal to 0 to n minus 1 summation of x of n is called time domain sequence e over, so is e power of minus j 2 by nk by n. So that here frequency variable varying from k equal to 0 to n minus 1 is a periodically repeated. N is called length of sequence. So next one, definition for inverse DFT is a formula for inverse DFT is a inverse DFT of x of k, capital letter k equal to small n. So that is equal to 1 over n summation k equal to 0 to n minus 1 capital X of k e power say plus j 2 by k by n. So here small n equal to 0, 1 up to n minus 1. In forward transform, k varying from 0 to n minus 1. Inverse transform 1 over n summation k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k e power plus j 2 by k n. So I made some mistake. Capital N e power j 2 by k by n n 0 to n minus 1. So next, and in lot of literatures, this quantity denoted by capital W of n is called Weidel factor. Weidel factor. So here omega n equal to e power j 2 by n. So this particular factor applied to easy to solve the both forward and inverse DFT. So next I will go for how to compute inverse DFT. How to compute DFT and inverse DFT. Let us consider an example. Let us consider an example. X of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Compute 4-point DFT of the sequence. Compute 4-point DFT of the sequence x of n. So here number of samples. So here number of samples equal to capital N equal to 4, or length of sequence equal to 4. The first sample is called x of 0 sample, second one is called x of 1 sample, third one equal to x of 2 sample, and fourth one x of 3 sample. These are time index 0 to 3. So sequence length equal to n. So therefore formula for DFT, x of k equal to capital letter X, small k equal to summation n goes from 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 by n k by n, k varying from 0 to 1 up to n minus 1. So using Weidel factor, n equal to the equation rewrite into x of n w n power n k, k equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. So here capital N equal to 4. So that is equal to summation n equal to 4 minus 1 x of n into w is of n, substitute 4 into nk. So here k equal to varying from 1 up to 4 minus 1. Before enter the problem, you have to calculate the coefficient value of, is called Fourier coefficient. Fourier coefficient value. It's a Fourier coefficients. Have to calculate. It's a unit circle. It's a radius equal to 1. In general, this particular factor periodically divide by 0 to, it's a by 2, pi 3 by 2, is a divide by regular interval of 2 by n into k. So basically the complex space factor or total factor equally divide by unit circle. So that means is a x of this particular point is called x of 0, is a x of 1 up to these are frequency sampling points up to n minus 1. So again repeated all the sequence periodically. So generally the discrete Fourier transform spectrum periodically repeated. It's a spectrum, it's a frequency spectrum 0 to n minus 1. So again is a periodically repeated regular interval of n. That means the x of 0 sequence equivalent to x of 4th sequence. So it is a periodically repeated x of n equal to x of n plus small n concept. It's a concept of periodically repeated. Period is called n. So here n equal to 4, number of sample points n equal to 4, the spectrum are periodically repeated. So the same concept applied to find the coefficient of Fourier coefficients. So here is a circle. It's a circle. This particular point. So here n equal to 4 points. The circle divided by 4 equal intervals. So this particular point is called w n power 0. Is called is a value of n into k. Is a value of n into k. How to use the twiddle factor n, so that is equal to e power minus j 2 by n is a negative value. So the samples are clockwise directions splitted by equal interval of 4 points is a negative direction, so clockwise directions. So this point is called w n power 1, is a w n power 2, is a w n power 3, is a w n power. So here n equal to 4. So we replace n, consider as 4, is a 4, is a 4, is a 4, is a 4. The sequence are periodically repeated. Sequence are periodically repeated. Is a w 4 power 6, is a w 4 power 7, 4 power 8, etc. 4 power 9, etc. So how to calculate this particular coefficient? Using Euler's formula, w n equal to e power minus j 2 by n. So w n power n k equal to e power minus j 2 by n into n k. So here n equal to, so here n equal to number of points equal to 4. So therefore w 4 power n k e power minus j 2 by n k by 4. So that is equal to e power minus j 2 by n k by 2. So substitute n k equal to 0. N k equal to 0. So w 4 power 0. This equation e power minus j pi by 2. So that is equal to e power 0. So that is equal to cos 0 minus j sin 0. So that is cos 0 1, sin 0 0. So that is equal to 1. So here this value equal to 1. W 4 power 0, W 4 power 4, W 4 power 8, W 4 power 12, etc. It's a periodically repeated. The sequence are 1. So similar way to calculate the remaining samples are, remaining coefficients are W 4 power 1, W 4 power 1 equal to e power j minus 2 by 4 into 1. So that is equal to e power j by 2. So that is equal to cos pi by 2 minus j sin by 2. So that is equal to cos pi by 2 0. Is sin pi by 2 minus j into 1. So that is equivalent value minus j. So here substitute all the coefficient values are minus j. All the coefficient values are minus j. In similar way, we have to calculate w square and w power 3. So w power 4 power of square equal to e power minus j by 2 into 2 is cancelled. That is equal to e power minus j by, so that is called cos pi minus j sin by cos pi minus 1 sin by 0. So minus 1 minus j into 0. So that is equal to minus 1. So here the coefficient value for 6 and 2 is a minus 1. And last one w 4 power 3. So that is equal to e power. So you have to calculate last term w 4 power of 3. So that is equal to e power minus j by 2 into 3. So that is called 3 by 2. So here cos 3 by 2 minus j sin 3 by 2. So that is equal to say 0. Say minus j into minus 1. So that is equal to plus j. So therefore the coefficients are plus j. So next one, easy to substitute these coefficient values. We have to calculate all the frequency content. So n equal to 4, substitute small n 0 to 4 minus 1 x of n w 4 power n k. So here k equal to 1 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. So that is equal to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n w 4 power n k k equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 is equation number 1. Is equation number 1. So after we will substitute k equal to 0, k equal to 1 and k equal to 2, etc. So here when k equal to 1, x of k equal to 1, substitute k equal to 1. So that is equal to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n is a w 4 power n into k 0. K equal to 0 is a first constant 0. You substitute k equal to 0, x of 0, capital X of 0, n equal to 0 to 3, x of n, w 4 into n into k, the value of k equal to 0, substitute k equal to 0, this coefficient value, so that is equal to summation n equal to 0 to 3, x of n, w 4 power 0. So w 4 power 0, 1. So here this value equal to 1. So after n equal to 0 to 3, x of n, expand the summation n equal to 0 plus n equal to 1 plus n equal to 2 plus n equal to 3. So that is equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3. So after we substitute the coefficient value, x of 0 value 1, x of 1 value 2, 3 and 4. So that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So that is equal to 10. It's a first frequency coefficient x of capital X of 0 equal to 10. Is the answer for first one. X of 0 equal to 1. So similar way, next one substitute k equal to 1. In same procedure we will follow. K equal to 1. So when K equal to 1, capital X of 1 equal to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n w 4 power n into the value of K equal to 1. So 1 expand the summation. First one n equal to 0 is a power of 0 plus n equal to 1 is a power of 1 etc. So that is equal to x of 0 w 4 power 0 into 1 plus x of 1 w 4 power 1 into 0 plus x of 2 w 4 power 2 into 0 plus x of 3 w is a w 4 power of 2 into 3 into 0. See first one x of 0 0 into 1 is a K value 1, x of 1 is a K value 1 is I made mistake, x of 3 into 1. So that is equal to x of 0 w 4 power 0 plus x of 1 w 4 power 1 plus x of 2 w 4 power 2 plus x of 3 w 4 power 3. After we will substitute the corresponding coefficient value. So here x of 0 value is a 1. So that is equal to 1 is a w 4 power 0 is a 0 value 1 plus is a 1 value equal to 2. So 2 the value of w power 1 is a minus j is a minus j plus 3 into minus 1 is a power of 2. So w for the 4 to the power of 2 is a minus 1. So here substitute minus 1 plus four into plus j. So that is equal to 1 into 1 1 minus 2j minus 3 plus 4j. So that is equal to minus 2 plus 2j is the answer for x of 1 minus 2 plus 2j. So next we will compute k equal to 2. K equal to when k equal to 2, so 1 replaced by 2 is a 1 replaced by 2, then expand the summation. So that is equal to n equal to 0, n equal to 0 plus n equal to 1 plus etc. So x of 0 w 4 power 0 into 2 plus x of 1 w 4 power 1 into 2 plus x of 2 w 4 power 2 into 2 plus the last sequence w 4 power 3 into 2. So after we will compute x of 0 is a 1 is a w 4 power 0 plus is x of 1 coefficient value, time domain coefficient value 2 is a 4 power square. Next one 3 is a w 4 power 4 plus is a x of 3 is a fourth one. So w 4 power 6. So that is equal to 1 into 1 is a value for w 4 power 0 1. 2 into is a square value w 4 power square value minus 1 plus 3 into say 4 power of 4 equal to minus 1, sorry is a 1 plus 4 into is a minus 1. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. So that is equal to minus 2. So therefore the coefficient frequency coefficient value for x of 2 equal to minus 2. So after is a last coefficient k equal to 3. So we replace 3 is a 3. So here 3. Then expand the summation. So x of 0 w 4 power 0 into 3 plus x of 1 w 4 power 1 into 3 plus x of 2 w 4 power 2 into 3 plus x of 3 w 4 power 3 into 3. So after substitute the corresponding coefficients, x of 0 value 1 is a w 4 power 0 plus x of 1, the coefficient for x of 1 2 into w 4 power 3 plus 3 into w 4 power 6 plus 4 into w 4 power 9. So that is equal to 1 into 1 is a value for w 4 power 0 1 plus 2 into w 4 power 3 is a w 4 power 3 is a plus j, 2 into plus j, 3 into is a 4 power 6 is a 6, corresponding coefficient value minus 1. So minus 1 plus 4 into is a 9, corresponding value minus j. So that is equal to 1 2j minus 3 plus minus 4j. So that is equal to, so after minus 2 minus 2j. So these are frequency coefficient for time domain sequence 1 2 3. Therefore the coefficients are, therefore the frequency coefficients are DFT of, therefore the DFT of sequence x of n, the sequence x of n, this sequence equivalent frequency value x of k equal to 10 comma minus 2 plus 2j comma minus 2 comma minus 2 minus 2j. These are, is a first coefficient value is called x of capital X of 0 is a coefficient for capital X of 1 is a capital X of 2 is a capital X of 3. And last one, how to construct space spectrum and frequency spectrum. So next one, construction of spectrum. Construction of spectrum. So first one, magnitude spectrum. First one, magnitude spectrum. In general, x of k equal to a plus jb. That means the corresponding spectrum modulus of x of k. So that is equal to modulus of a plus jb. So that is equal to root of real part square plus imaginary part square. So real part square plus imaginary part square. So that is equal to root of a square plus b square. The same formula applied into the sequence. So therefore, modulus of is a space spectrum. So therefore, the magnitude spectrum, the spectrum of x of k is a modulus capital X, small k is a modulus So that is equal to root of real part square. Is only real number available. Real part square 10 square, comma, is a both real and imaginary. So that is equal to minus 2 square plus 2 square, comma, root of minus 2 square, comma, root of minus 2 square minus 2 square. So that is equal to, is a 10, is a root of 8. So that is equivalent value 2.828. 2.828, comma 2.828. These are magnitude values of given sequence. So the plot for magnitude is a frequency variable k. The starting index 0, 1, 2, 3. It's a first coefficient value, is a magnitude value, is a 10. Is another one 2.828. Is a 2.828. Is a 2. Is a 2.828. So it's a y-axis represented by modulus of x of k. It's a frequency. These are a frequency variable. So next one, how to construct space spectrum. How to construct space spectrum. In general, x of k equal to a plus jb. It's a complex format. The angle of xk equal to tan inverse imaginary by real. Imaginary by real value. So that is equal to tan inverse b by a. The same concept applied the sequence. Find the space value. So the base angle of space spectrum, the angle of x of k, so that is equal to tan inverse, is only real value. It's imaginary by real, so real value, there is no imaginary value, 0.10, comma, tan inverse, it's a real value, it's imaginary value 2, real value minus 2, comma, tan inverse 0 by minus 2, comma, tan inverse minus 2 by minus 2. So that is equal to tan inverse 0 is a 0 by 10, 0, comma, tan inverse 2 by 2 is a minus 1, is a tan inverse 0, is a tan inverse minus, is a plus 1, minus into minus is a plus. So that is equal to 1. So the tan 0, 0, tan minus 1, minus by 4, tan 0, 0, is a tan plus, plus by 4. So therefore, space spectrum, the spectrum of the sequence is a frequency index 0, 1, 2, 3, is a k, is a first one 0, second one is a minus by 4, third one 0, is a plus by 4. This is space spectrum of sequence 1, 2 equivalent space spectrum. Major drawbacks for this direct computation. For example, n equal to 4 means x of k equal to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n w n k, for example. So expand the summation x of 0 w 4 power 0 into k x of 1 into w 4 power 1 into k plus x of 2 w 4 power 2 into k plus w 4 power 3 into k. Say number of point equal to 4. So each term is a 1 multiplication. The computation required is a 1 multiplication, 2 multiplication, 3 multiplication, and is a x of 3 into w 4 power 3k. So number of multiplications is a 1, 2 complex multiplication, 3 multiplication, 4. So number of multiplication in each term equal to 4. So total number of terms x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. There are 4 terms. So totally required for computation 16 multiplication need for computation of sequence 4. So total number of multiplications is a number of multiplication required for computation of 4-point DFT. So in similar way, number of additions is a 1 addition, 2, 3. So each term require number of multiplications required n square using DFT. So number of multiplication is n equal to 4 means 16 multiplication. So n into n. So it's called n square multiplication. So number of multiplication needed for solving 4 points, n square multiplication. Number of additions, there are 3 additions. So each term require 3 additions. 3 additions. So each term require 3 additions. That means n minus 1 addition. 4 minus 1 is called 3. So number of term equal to 4. So n into n minus 1 additions are required for computation of DFT. This drawback overcome by, so number of points is a 4 points easy to solve. Suppose in 16 means 16 square multiplications are needed. 16 into 50 minus 1 is a addition. Number of multiplications are needed in 16 square. Additions are needed in 16 into 15. See n value 16, n minus 1, 15. Additions are needed. So this drawback overcome by Cooley and Tukey proposed by fast Fourier transform algorithm. It's a fast Fourier transform algorithm used to reduce the computations. Number of multiplication is reduced by n by 2 log to the base n. The additions using fast Fourier transform n log to n. So the authors Cooley and Tukey in the year 1965 proposed by fast Fourier transform algorithm. This algorithm is easy to calculate 4-point DFTs, etc. Thank you.